to that conclusion because because of my own practice. For almost 20 years, just seeing people day in and day out, and having the ability to ask the subconscious mind or the internal computer of the patient, what's going on. What I found was 90% of the physical pain that people had was being caused by trapped emotions. And I found that if I released those trapped emotions, the physical pain would go away. Now, there were other things as well, and I alluded to those a little bit ago.
Mm.
But trapped emotions, if you think about it this way, okay, the oldest idea in the history of healing is that health is either maintained or regained by either maintaining or by regaining the state of balance in the body. That's a very ancient idea. Well, what I found was that there were imbalances that were causing problems for people. And in the body code book, okay, we talk about those imbalances. And so to give you an idea here, what I found during those years is that there are really 6 different kinds of imbalances that cause our trouble. There are things like energies. Things in that category would be things like physical traumas, like where you receive some kind of a physical blow, maybe the energy's still in the body. Trapped emotions are in here, and other things. There are pathogens, viruses, bacteria, fungal infections, mold, and so on. There are imbalances of the circuitry and the systems of the body. So, for example, meridians that are out of balance and chakras that are out of balance, organs and glands that are imbalanced in some way, short-circuited in some way. Over here, we have misalignments. I found that that's another category. Any kind of tissue can misalign, and misalignments are energetic, really, in nature, like everything else. And then down here, we have nutrition and lifestyle. And so you might have a deficiency of a certain thing. Why are you taking that thing? Because of its energy and frequency and vibration, right? Back to Tesla. You're deficient in a certain energy, frequency, vibration. That's why you take that vitamin, okay? It's all energy and frequency and vibration. Maybe you need a certain essential oil for its frequency, right? Or maybe there's something else going on. Over here, we have toxins. Maybe you've got some frequencies and energies in your body that shouldn't be there. Maybe you had mercury fillings when you were a kid, or maybe you've received some kind of a vaccine, or maybe some kind of medication that's in your body still. And then here we have this last category is what we call circuits and systems. And these are imbalances of organs and glands and chakras and systems and things like that. Maybe I already talked about that one. Anyway, so there are these 6 different categories. And what I found when I was in practice is, you see, as a former computer programmer, I always had a computer there with me as I was practicing on my patients. And as I would find new things or be led to new things, I would try to figure out where they fit into this hierarchy that gradually developed into these 6 different kinds of imbalances that cause all of our problems, really, mental, emotional, and physical.